how to blink an LED using a Raspberry Pi 5. So first, to blink an LED, we are going to write an Python file. So first we have to create a file. So right click on the desktop and create a new file. Then name this file anything like LED. Okay. Then you have a basically Python file. So the next step will be opening this file and writing the code which I will write. First we are going to use the GPIO 0 library because we are going to use GPIO 0 to blink this LED. Now we are going to import time library. Because we are going to add a small delay between the blinks. Okay. Now we have to create a variable. I named it LED, and then we are going to use the function LED which we imported and give it a pin. I am going to give pin 17. So this will be your GPIO pin. I will show you in the video how to connect it after this. Now we are going to use a loop to keep this LED blinking. For now we are going to use while true. It will basically keep blinking our LED and not stop. Now we are going to give the function led.on command. Then we are going to wait for a half a second. So we will use sleep. Then we are going to use led.off. It will turn off this LED. Then we are going to again sleep for 0.5 seconds. Now basically your program to blink LED is done. So our next step will be installing the libraries. So first we will save this file. You can click save, and now it is saved, and then close it. Now we just have to use Python and run this file. Okay. So for this, first you have to install GPIO 0 library, and it needs LGPIO in the system. So we are going to first install that. Okay, this is the command to install LGPIO. I am now going to just press enter. Since my device has already this library installed, it just shows no installed library and no upgraded library. Okay, but yours will install. Now in Python we are going to install GPIO 0. So we will use pip install just type this and then press enter. It is saying, as you can see, it requires an externally managed it is an externally managed environment, so it cannot install it here. So I am going to tell you how to fix this. So to get rid of this error, we are going to install it using sudo. So type in sudo apt install python 3 so since again my system has already installed this GPIO library, it doesn't give me any error. So this command will automatically install this library in your laptop or your Raspberry Pi. Okay, so now the last step is to just run this new led.python file we have created. So we are going to write python 3 and then file name. Now it is going to give me an error, as you can see. So to fix this, we just have to change our directory. We are going to go to desktop and then again run the same command. Now the LED will be blinking. As you can see in the video I am currently showing you. So thank you for watching guys. This was a very simple tutorial to blink an LED in Raspberry Pi 5. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for your support.